Hi everyone. Today we start to talk about the 12 zodiac animals. So last time we mentioned about the name, which is Sheng Xiao. Sheng Xiao, which means the Chinese zodiacs. So the first one in this cycle is the rat. In Chinese we say 鼠 鼠. So actually in the year 2020, it's actually the year of the rat. 鼠 鼠. So for those who are born in the year of the rat, usually they're intelligent, hardworking, and very active. So let's see how this character is written. I hope you like this video. And the next one will be the ox. So please check the other videos as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Bye.